This question is about intrinsic value, which you just mentioned at about the 15-minute mark. So with intrinsic value, I'm wondering how often that value might shift. Like maybe a company will have a higher intrinsic value today than tomorrow, or if that's something that shifts over a longer period of time. I mean, it could be different for every company or every situation, but generally speaking, how often?
So whenever I use the analyzer, I might find that the same 4 or 5 companies are always at the top for about a month. And then maybe something shifts, and then some new companies replace a few of those. So I would say that the intrinsic value doesn't change that frequently. It goes up and down a little bit, but it doesn't change like the price changes. Okay. Some reasons why the intrinsic value would change is after earnings reports. So the intrinsic value is based on the earnings of the company, and each quarter the companies report their earnings. And if the earnings are low, or say lower from the previous quarter, then this could affect the intrinsic value. Because with the intrinsic value, you want to see that the earnings are increasing and increasing consistently over the long term.